Have you ever ordered sushi and tasted a slightly minty flavor? You are likely tasting shiso.
Shiso comes in many different types. There's ohba shiso, which is commonly used in Japanese cuisine, and there's also a white leaf shiso. A lot of people are not aware that there's a different kind of shiso. And there's also akajiso, which is red or purple shiso. This is often used for coloring.
Shiso is named to the mountainous regions of China and India, but is now found worldwide.
Ohba shiso can be used for garnishing and topping, and they can also be used for new preparations like sashimi and tofu dishes.
One of the best ways to source fresh shiso is to grow your own. Kitazawa Seed Company supplies high-quality seeds of both red and green types. If growing outdoors, wait until after the last frost. Press shiso seeds into damp soil and keep consistently damp until they sprout. Once your shiso plant reaches around 6 inches tall in the summer, you can harvest. To harvest your shiso, pinch off part of the stem just above the leaf node, similar to how you harvest basil.
Today I'll be making a simple onigiri dish, which is sushi, with some simple ingredients, and also incorporate ohba shiso. Use calrose rice or sushi rice for this dish. Mix it with a tablespoon of sushi mix, and I'll be adding the furikake. Now I'll be mixing the finely chopped ohba shiso. If you like to add corn, you can add corn. If you want to mix with imitation crab or tuna or anything, any protein, you can actually mix them together.
Fill the mold and shake it to shape the onigiri.
Thanks for joining us today for a celebration of the delicious shiso herb.
Find these Kitazawa seeds and the entire Kitazawa seed catalog of Asian seeds at chilimarket.com.
If you enjoyed this recipe and tutorial, please like and subscribe for more garden to plate recipes.
Comment below if you have any more fun recipes you want us to try.
Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye-bye.